Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this Friday, September 11th Tiger Talk. Kind of go over the events that have happened here this week and what's coming up here at Breckenridge County High School. So, we'd like to start off and discuss remote learning update real quick. I am very proud of the staff and the students here at Breckenridge County High School for the wonderful week. I know we've got a lot of um, I know we've got a lot of of work that's being put into this, and I do appreciate all the hard work that our teachers are doing, and also the hard work that our students are put into this. And just remember, the student that teachers are available every day, Monday through Friday, via email, and they are also available here to call the school, so we can get you some help. We do have other resources here for you. Another big thing to just remind everybody: the grades. This is a very important time because this is 6 weeks. Is going to be your first grading period of the school year, and 5 weeks of that is going to be home on a remote learning process. So please do not put this work off. A lot of teachers have due dates. Be sure you hit submit on assignments that you're doing. That's one of the things I've heard from some teachers say. So be sure that you're putting forth a great effort here and take care of business because it does count at here as a grade at your school. So please focus on that. Also, to remember, we are available for after school tutoring. Class code is 3TW 7D2K. That is available from 4 to 6 every afternoon here at the high school, Monday through Thursday, to provide you some additional resources to get help on any score that you might have. Also, please contact any of your teachers that if you do need the building here during the week, we will have available time slots from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Just get a hold of one of your teachers and ask if you can come in from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. We do have to cap that at 137 students, so it's a first come, first serve. But be sure that you ask your teachers to have that available to you. Next, our lunch feed program has gone through a little bit of a change. Starting this week, we have been able to offer this to our students from Monday and Wednesdays from 11:30 to 12:30, like we were doing. But now one of the changes is you do not have to have your student ID or your badge in order to get that. That's been a slight change. It also does not have to be a student enrolled in the Breckenridge County school system in order to get that food. So it's kind of like how it was this summer. But you can get that from 11:30 to 12:30 at every school in our district. That's all of our elementary schools, high school, and middle school from 11:30 to 12:30. And that is a free breakfast and lunch in that. Go back here to this. Also, like to just give an update on our sports. Like to congratulate our Lady Tiger volleyball team last night for being victorious over Whitesville Trinity in the JV and varsity contest. Very proud of them getting our seasons off to a great start in the volleyball season. It was also our first home contest that we've had here on our campus since the coronavirus hit us in March. So I'm really proud of our student athletes, but also very proud of our people in attendance last night, our fans. Most of those were family members, or all of our family members, but just very proud of them. They did a great job of wearing the mask and staying social distance. I know that's a hot topic, and it's not something we're all very fond of is wearing this mask during that. But we also got to remember that by wearing these, we're allowing those young men and young women to play a sport that they love. So we got to take care of business so that we can watch those sports take place. It was such a great feeling last night to hear the sneakers squeaking on the gym floor and to watch those kids out there playing. It warmed my heart up to see finally getting to do some stuff here at the school. So I'm really proud of that and proud of everybody for the efforts they put into doing that. Tonight we do have our first home football game. That'll start at 7 o'clock, and the gates will open at 6 p.m. So I know we do have some early bird fans usually like to show up about 5 o'clock, 5:15. We will not be able to allow anybody in until 6 o'clock. We got to make sure we have everything set up for the evening. And just a reminder that we are only operating on a 20% capacity, so we have a limited attendance for tonight's game. There will be no tickets sold at the gate, so you must have a ticket in order to get in. And all those tickets were pre-sold here at the high school to family members only of our football players and cheerleaders. So all those student athletes were taken care of for this first game. Again, I know we've got people that donate money to the school. We've got our loyal, trusty fans that come to all of our sporting events, and I hate that. We've got our student body that Tiger Nation that come to all of our games that we're not able to get into tonight's ball game, and it breaks my heart. But in order for us to get these young men playing football and these young ladies and young men that want to that are cheerleaders in order to get to participate in those events and activities tonight. We've got to we've got to limit our capacity for tonight's contest. Now we hope to loosen that up as the weeks go on, but for tonight only, you must have a ticket. So please don't put us in a bad spot if you show up at the gate tonight wanting to get in. We're going to have to turn you back. So please stay home and listen to it on WXBC or watch it on Breck live at our YouTube channel. It will be live. Again, that's for no Tiger Hunter, no coaches cards, very limited access to tonight's contest. We will be recognizing our seniors tonight at 6:30. We're doing this as a precaution, just in case something happens where the seasons get limited. We want to go ahead and recognize those seniors right off the bat here at the very beginning. So we'll be recognizing them at 6:30. Our hopes and aspirations are to have a real senior night at the last game of the season, which would be there on October the 30th against Hancock County. We would like to really honor our seniors that night, so we hope to do that again. That will be tonight at football. I'd like to wish our soccer team good luck this weekend. They'll be opening their season up at Hart County in 2 contests. I'd like to wish our volleyball team good luck this weekend. They'll be playing at Grayson County against Grayson County and Allen County Scottsville. Our cross country and golf teams are in action this weekend as well, and I'd like to wish them good luck. Our Fighting Tiger golf team plays at Quail Chase in the tournament there, and that is our Lady Tigers as well. So good luck to both our Lady Tigers and Fighting Tiger golf teams at Quail Chase. I have not done a very good job of giving a shout out to our golf team as much. I would like to thank Coach Mitch Jackson and Coach Edie Jackson. They've done a phenomenal job this year. Golf is one of the only sports that was given clearance to go ahead and proceed with their seasons. And Coach Jackson, Mitch, and Edie have done a wonderful job with our young men and young women and getting them to play their seasons so far. So great job by them, and just thank you. They will be playing the Louisville Butler Invitational, and that is at Quail Chase this weekend. So good luck to them as they are winding their season down. And then our cross-country team is in action this weekend as well, and that is at Central Hardin. So good luck to them. And that concludes the Tiger Talk for this Friday, September 11th. I'll leave you how we start every day here at the high school. Everyone, work really hard. Have a great day and be a champion.